How does SYRTO platform work? From our website, just click on Platform. 4 links are available. The first 3 lead to our early warning systems for sovereigns, banks, and non-financial corporates. The fourth leads to our systemic risk measures. How does it work? When entering into the early warning system for sovereigns, you can see a tree realized with some leading indicators selected by our statistical algorithm, which works as a binary splitting rule. Look at the first node. We are asking you whether your country is one of the reported list. Suppose your interest is for the sovereign risk in France. Your answer is yes, and you move on the left. Now, you are in a new node. Debt GDP greater than equals 73. What we are asking you now is about the level of the ratio debt over GDP, specifically if it is greater or equal than 73%. Again, depending on your answer, you move on the left if yes, or on the right if no. And so on for all other nodes. Follow your path depending on yes or no to the question in each code. Detailed descriptions are in the abbreviation codes link. Suppose you end up into the node 20, which reports the number 17.9. This value is the expected credit default spread in basis points. In other terms, based on our tree and the corresponding splitting rules, you can see what's your expected sovereign risk in terms of CDS spreads. For more details about risk statistics, just click on it. Do you want to see which is your expected risk based on potential values for the selected indicators? Just click on Risk Calculator, insert your values as described in the abbreviation code link, and push Calculate. To see the mean values of the predicted risks for all the Euro countries over time, click on Risk Prediction by Country and Year. The same values are visualized in an animated risk map. The map depicts the countries with different colors based on their risk level. Green is low risk and red is high risk. Early warning systems for banks and non-financial corporates work in the same way. We focused on the systemically important banks selected by the ECB. For these banks, we stratified the risks in terms of expected CDS spread, expressed in basis points by using balance sheet data. For more details, see the abbreviation code link. For non-financial corporates, we inspected millions of balance sheet data for firms located in the Eurozone. Here, we computed 1 tree for each country, reporting a risk score ranging from 0 low risk to 1 high risk. The risk cutoff is 0.5. Values greater than 0.5 are for firms near to default. Suppose you are interested in looking at the risk for non-financial corporates in Italy. The tree works as before. Splitting rules are here computed for balance sheet data expressed relatively to the total assets except for ratios. See abbreviation codes for more details. The online risk calculator is available and works as for sovereigns and banks, of course, based on different indicators. Risk scores by sector and year are reported in the table. The animated risk map is also available for non-financial corporates. You can see the risk movie for all the countries based on the mean values of the risk scores in each country for all corporates. The final section is about our systemic risk measures. Click on reported links to have a brief scientific description with major references for more details. Icons open to graphical representation for each measure. All the graphs are dynamic and users can define the time horizon, make a zoom on the subperiods, use the tooltips to facilitate reading, and download the graph with preferred format.